Welcome all of you. So this is construction of triangles, as I have told. So I'm doing this since when you do constructions sums from your construction 10th CBSE, then sometimes you find this chapter difficult because there is a lot of construction of triangles in that chapter. Okay, many times you have to construct a triangle, then you have to circumscribe or you have to inscribe triangles in it. So that is why let's see all few different types of triangles. I'll take them up one by one. Let's see. So here we have when the lengths of the three sides. Here we have a triangle when the lengths of the three sides, you see clearly the lengths of the three sides are given. Okay, so generally in your lower classes they tell draw a rough figure, but now if you are drawing it for your constructions diagram in ICSE, I don't think you will have time for that. Take any one of the sides and draw. So this is my AC, draw a line which is 6 centimeter long, and from here, from this point, take, because AB is 7, from this point take an arc of 7 centimeter in your compass, measure 7 centimeter. Fix your compass here, make an arc of 7 centimeter here, take an arc of 5 centimeter, fix your compass here and cut the previous arc. So this point has to be joined here and this point has to be joined here. So this becomes B, BC is 5 and this is 6. Okay, so you get your triangle. That was the very first type of triangle. Let's see the second type, when two angles and one side will be given. Okay, two angles and one side. Now this is the triangle PQR in which PQ is 6. PQ is 6 centimeter. Okay, so just make this baseline the one side that is given. You can clearly see two of the sides are given. Angle P. Okay, angle P is a 60 degree. At this point, construct the 60 degree the way I showed in the previous video. Okay, so you make your 60 degree over here at the point P, and here is the 50 degree at the point Q. Here, since this is not a multiple of 15, you will have to use a protractor, make a 50 degree. As you make a 50 degree line, it will go and touch that line somewhere. Let it touch wherever it does. Okay, so you don't have to know the length of this, length of R, you don't have to know. You don't have to know the length of PR. You don't have to know the length of RQ also. You extend this and let it meet, let the two lines meet wherever they do. Okay, so that is your triangle. Just name that point R. So this is the required triangle when two angles and one side is given. Now let's see the third type. The third type when two sides and one angle. Okay, so now this is two sides and one angle. How do you draw this? You can clearly see. So AB, let me make the base AB, which is I'll make it of a length 6. Okay, then AC will be of 8 centimeters. Now what I will do is angle BA, see this angle over here is a 50 degree. So what you do, take a protractor and make a 50 degree line, make it little long. Okay, now AC is 8 centimeter. Take a radius of 8 centimeter in your compass and cut an arc, making this as center, cut an arc at 8. So you got AC, this is the point C, you got AC as 8 and AB as 6 and this angle as a 50 degree. Be very careful, BAC is 50, don't make this as 50. This point to be joined here, this makes it the complete triangle. So we got one with one angle and two sides also. Two angle, one side, all three sides, all done. Okay, is there? Now we'll make a right angle. Okay, triangle. I'll draw AB. Okay, AB is 8. Now B. Here is A, here is B. And B there is a 90 degree, right? So I'll make the 90 degree. Okay, so I have made the 90 degree at B. That also I got. AC is 10. So what I'll do, from here I'll take a radius of 10 centimeters and we'll make this line little long. Okay, at 10 centimeter radius I'll make a arc. So I got the third point C also. Let me join this. Okay, so this is the required triangle ABC, which is right angled here, and AC is 10, AB is 8. So here I got a right angle triangle where one angle and two sides are again given. Okay, let's see what are the types. If they say an equilateral triangle, okay, equilateral, this is very common. Equilateral triangle of side, let's say 10 centimeter. Very simple question. For the equilateral triangle, we'll make a base 10. So 10 centimeter long line AB we'll take a radius of 10 centimeter from here and we'll make an arc here. Same radius 10 centimeter will make another arc here. This point will be joined. Okay, if we join this, it is all the sides become 10. Automatically your angles, all these angles will become 60 degree. Join them with the help of a scale. Join this point C to A and C to B. So very simple, straight line of the side length, arc of the same length, arc of the same length, join, and you automatically get an equilateral triangle. Okay, so that was an equilateral triangle which is very often asked. Now, here is a sum. We need a triangle ABC. AB, BC length is given and the third side is not given. Median length, okay, median AD, okay, median. Okay, now here we need a rough diagram. A, D, B, C. This is 4.4. Okay, just to know where is what. AB is 5. Now, little difficult ones, we definitely need a rough diagram. Now, note here, if this is the median, then this is 3.4, here is 3.4. So, I have a small triangle here. Okay, I have a small triangle here whose all three sides I know, because median is the point where is the line which bisects the opposite side, which bisects the opposite side. So, 6.8 becomes 3.4, 3.4. Now, what I will do is, I'll simply start with this baseline. I'll make it a 6.8 centimeter long line. Okay, and then I will, from here, I can either make a perpendicular bisector or I'll just take 3.4 here. From here at 3.4 I'll cut an arc. This is the point D. From this point, which is, this is B and C. Okay, then I'll have to make the, from B I'll have to make AB. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll take an arc of 5 centimeter and cut where here I'll make a big arc because I don't know where it is cutting. So I'll just make a big arc. Okay, and from here, from the point D, I'll make an arc of 4.4. I'll take a radius of 4.4 in the compass and I'll cut an arc wherever it cuts. That is my point D. Okay, now it is not necessary that it is going to be an equilateral triangle, nothing like that, or it's going to be an isosceles triangle, nothing like that. So here AB, this is the point A. So AB is a 5, this is a 3.4 and AC is, I'll have to just join. I know the point A, I know the point C now. So I'll just join and I get my triangle. I don't have to know this other side. So this was one sum where median was given and two sides was given. Very important question. See to it that you know this question. These were few of the questions from construction of triangles. Okay. So why I did it is, again I'll tell you, please see this if you are not very confident about construction of triangles, which will be used for construction of circles in 10th ICSE. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks all of you. Bye.